Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at Veganic hair oil to figure out if it's a legit product or just another scam. Quick disclaimer before we jump in, this review is based on my personal opinion and research. Veganic hair oil is marketed as a natural vegan hair growth solution designed to promote thicker, healthier hair using plant-based ingredients. The company claims it can transform thinning or balding hair quickly, which sounds promising if it actually works. However, when we dig into customer feedback, especially on Trustpilot, the product gets a pretty low rating, just 2.2 stars from 53 reviews. Many users are seriously disappointed. One common complaint is that the bottle contains almost no oil, just water mixed with some soapy, suspicious liquid. One user even called it a scam and questioned why this company is still allowed to operate. Delivery issues are another major red flag. Several wires reported or report their orders got lost or delayed. And when they reached out for refunds, the company either responded late or ignored them completely. This kind of poor customer service makes it hard to trust the brand. On the other hand, there's a pretty unbelievable review claiming instant hair growth after just one use. Thick curly locks appearing within 5 minutes. That sounds more like marketing hype or a fake testimonial rather than real results. Also, some users suspect the company uses AI generated celebrity voices in their ads, which raises more questions about the authenticity of their marketing. Based on customer reviews and the questionable business practices, I would be very cautious about buying the organic hair oil. It appears to fall short of its promises and may not be worth your money. Thanks for watching, and remember, this review is based on my personal opinion and research.